For my final project for computer systems, I created a distributed memory allocator implemented as a server in two different types of clients, one being a performance-oriented OpenMP client and one which implements a mirrored write redundancy scheme. Starting here in the commit change to buff function, which is present in both clients, I'm pointing to the common buffer. This is our working memory, basically 32 megabytes that the user can use. And then down here, basically, we divide that into 4 kilobyte chunks and we rotate it through each server in a round robin fashion. And then you can also see I'm using OpenMP here to get some to get some performance gain. And here is where it's being sent to each of the servers. The client and server communicate with each other using a NetBlock structure, and you can read more about that in the paper. Basically, it receives a NetBlock here from the client, and based on that, it decides, based on the instruct ID, what to do. And the server sends these NetBlocks to the client as well, and there's a similar function in the client that basically handles communications from the servers. I will now start the redundancy client. As you can see here, there's three different options. One's a basic memory test, just writing and reading into those common buffers I mentioned earlier, and making sure the contents are the same. Sending a file to the servers and then receiving a file from the servers, basically reading and writing to the distributed memory. I will now send a file to the distributed memory. I will kill one of the servers, and then I will show that I can receive the file still, basically because I still have this redundancy scheme implemented. So I'll send the file now. Greet is the name of the game. We got handle 0 here. Now I will exit. Now I will kill one of the servers. Now I will log into the other redundant client on the second VM. And now we only have 3 servers. We should still be able to receive the file. The starting handle was 0. We're going to call this one greet is good. And as you can see, it says it's using the redundant host for the read. I will now exit. And as you can see, greet is good, works. I'd like to take a moment to apologize for my voice. I'm recovering from a cold. Hopefully this video does give you some taste of the cool things that my distributed memory allocator can do. And I thank you